my beautiful Empiras, and welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel for all my lovely and wonderful friends and supporters. I love you so, so much. It's been a while, I know. I haven't been feeling well, you know, with COVID and everything. Things have been super depressing. My physical and mental health have not been great, but I really wanted to get up some Christmas looks, try out this product that was sent to me by Crown Noire Cosmetics, Queen of the Cut Crease. These cut crease stencils. I thought these would be super helpful for anyone who has problems doing cut creases, myself included. I have very hooded lids, so it's always hard for me to figure out exactly where to place the cut crease because it'll look like it's in the right spot, and then once my hood hangs over, it's not, and you can't see my lid color at all. I really like these. I definitely will be using them again. I'm just still playing around with the angles and stuff of how I like my cut crease to look, but you definitely don't get any shadow seeping underneath the stickers. I think personally I wouldn't even need to use a concealer or anything once I get the angle perfect with these cut creases, so it makes it definitely a lot quicker, and I'm just really excited to have these. So today I'm going to be doing a look with the Queen of the Cut Crease self-adhesive cut crease stencils from Crown Noire Cosmetics. The package looks like this. Thank you again so much for sending these to me. I am so excited to use these. So you get a little booklet that shows you how to apply them. And then here are the stencils. Now I do have very hooded eyes, so I am going to probably place them a little higher than my actual crease. I'm going to be using the ABH eye primer. Right up to the brow bone. Wait, where's my crease? Good question. It's a common misconception that the folds of your eyelid in the crease of your eye, but in fact, the crease of your eye is where your socket is. Feel for your eye socket by pressing gently against your eyelid until you feel where the curve of your eye dips into your skull. It helps to use the blunt end of tweezers. Follow the curve of the eye socket. That's probably right about there. Step 1, apply eye primer, already done. Step 2, make 3 points along the curve of your eye socket with eyeshadow. These will act as guides in placing the stencil correctly. Mark just above the highest point of your socket, inner corner, and 1 point in between. Okay, we're gonna try right there. I'm not the best at cut creases, so I'm hoping these help me because of the fact that I have such a large hanging fold that a lot of times I don't see the lid color. It's not up high enough, so I'm hoping this helps me. I don't know if that's too high. No, I think it goes right into the deep part of my eye socket. I think that is actually perfect. So let's get using the shadow. So I'm just going to use the Anastasia Soft Glam palette today. This is actually my first time using this. I just purchased it. I was looking for like an everyday neutral palette with eyeshadows that I actually know I like the formula. So we're gonna start out with burnt orange. One with sienna. Okay, so far the sticker's not moving. Staying perfectly where I put it. Take a very small brush. I'm gonna go in with mulberry, that right in the crease. So far I am loving this palette. With a little more of sienna. And back in with mulberry. Am I ready to peel it off? I'm so excited to see how this works. Honestly, that didn't take no time at all. Then I don't have to clean up the crease with concealer. I'm hoping. It's the part I always have a hard time with, cleaning up the cut crease with the concealer and getting it the perfect shape. All right, I'm excited to see how this works, so let's peel it off. Well, let's see what it says. Step 6, apply eyeshadows. Keep darkest eyeshadow closest to the top edge of the stencil and gradually fade to a lighter color up to the brow bone. Apply eyeshadow to outer third of eyelid for the half cut crease look. That's exactly what I did. Step 7, peel off the stencil to reveal a sharp crease. Blend out any unwanted harsh lines using a small amount of concealer. Finish off by using a contrasted eyeshadow glitter. I do plan to do that. I have some beautiful shimmers in this palette I want to try out. So let's do it. Oh wow. I feel like I didn't place it perfectly. It's a little too low right there. I don't think it's the sticker's fault. I think it's the placement. I'm still getting used to these and how to place it perfectly. And it definitely left a perfect line there with no mess. If it wasn't for the fact that I didn't place it perfectly, I wouldn't even need to go in with concealer because no shadow seeped underneath. Go in with this bronze shade. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that, it's like an old gold. Oh, I love it. Let's go in with glistening for the brow bone. Okay, so this time I'm actually going to follow the directions and mark off the 3 points with the eyeshadow along the curve of the eye socket. I'd say right there, right there, and there. We're peeling it off with the tweezers. And then we're going to stick it right underneath the 3 dots. Perfect. Perfect. See, I just had to go up a little higher. Sienna. Another Glorious Morning by ColourPop. Beautiful gold. Okay, so this is gonna be the final look. So my final thoughts on the cut crease stencils are, I think they're really cool. They definitely work. It's just a matter of getting them into the right place that you need for your specific eye shape. Once you figure that out, you're golden. It definitely made doing my cut crease a lot quicker. So just getting the angles right is all you need to do, and then these will be perfect. So thank you again so much for sending these to me. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up, subscribe for more videos from me, and until the next time, bye.
I don't care about the present.